Everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and this is my dog daughter Lulu. And we were talking the other day, and she told me that Valentine's Day was coming up, and wouldn't it be nice if she could give her boyfriend Palmer some Valentine cookies? So today we're actually going to make some little peanut butter oatmeal doggy treats for her to give to her little friends, and then she's going to be my supervisor and my quality control supervisor a little bit later. So let's get cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna make our oatmeal peanut butter dog biscuits. So let's start with our wet ingredients, which is basically water and an egg and a little bit of canola oil. And then we'll use a little bit of peanut butter to make it more exciting for Miss Lulu. Okay, and her boyfriend Palmer's a vegetarian, so this is good for him too. So we're gonna start with that. Let's just give these a quick little mix. The peanut butter doesn't combine great, but we'll combine it later with a spoon. I'll just get it going with this. Okay, that's good enough. Set that aside. Then let's take our dry ingredients. What we've got here is we've got whole wheat flour, some all-purpose flour, cornmeal, and some oats. We'll give them a quick mix just to combine. And then we're going to add it in to our wet. It comes together real easy. And honestly, these just kind of taste like, if we added some salt, they'd taste like people crackers, basically. I'll give this a mix. That's about it. Okay. So once that's thoroughly combined, we're going to put all this stuff together and set it aside. Okay. And now let's go ahead and get our board. I put a paper, I actually could put a paper towel. I put a dish towel under here just to make it not slide around on me. Let's put a little flour on our board. And on our rolling pin, we're going to roll these out to about 1/4 of an inch. Okay. There we go. It's a little bit sticky. Press first. Rolls out super easy. No chilling necessary. Not like a sugar cookie or something with lots of butter in it. Give it a quick roll. Okay, this is about 1/4 of an inch thick. So now we're gonna take our cute little heart cutter, because it is for Valentine's Day. And we're just gonna go through and cut these little guys out. Okay. Now I've got a cookie sheet that I covered with parchment paper. And I'm going to take an offset spatula. Works easier that way to scoop them up. I'm going to pull them up and lay them out. You don't have to worry about them being too far apart either, because they're not going to spread at all. Okie doke. Now we've got all of them on our little sheet, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna pop them in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes, flip them over, another 10 minutes, Then we're gonna turn the oven off and they're gonna sit in there for 40 minutes to get nice and crispy and hard. Okay, into the oven they go. We're 350 degrees. I'm gonna put them in for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna pull them out, turn them over, cook them for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the oven off and let them sit in there for 40 minutes. Okay, these little guys have been in for 10 minutes. We're gonna pull them out and flip them over. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. I mean, they're basically just a cracker. That's basically what they are. Let's close this up. Now, like I said, the little offset spatula works really handy for this kind of stuff because it can get in there and get right under. Okay, 10 more minutes. Okay, these new pot holders. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, we baked our cookies, we let them sit in the oven for 40 minutes, and now we have to have our quality control supervisor check them out. So let's see. Oh, she's drooling already. Oh, we give it your stamp of approval? Can we give some of these to your little boyfriends? Okay, let's pack them up for Palmer, okay? Let's show him how we do that. Okay, now that we have Lulu's seal of approval, we can package them up. I've got these cute little cellophane bags. And I think we'll give maybe a dozen. Kind of like a little child's goodie bags. These would be super cute if you had a little doggy birthday party too. Little favors to go home. We're so silly. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, what we've done is I've just got some basic raffia. Okay, we'll give it a quick little tie here. I mean, look how cute this is. It's easy breezy.